In this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 fundamentally good stocks that have given a dip recently and you can look for long-term positions in these stocks. मैं आपको complete technical analysis breakdown करने वाला हूँ, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Stocks को जाने के पहले let us first understand what is happening with the Nifty index and what you can expect in the coming weeks. So here in the chart आप देख सकते हो Nifty weekly index है and I have applied 2 indicators here, the 50 and the 100 moving average. And I'll be explaining their use case. So आप यहाँ पे क्या देख सकते हो, Nifty has really had a good rally in the past 1 year of almost 150% from the bottom. So Nifty index alone आपको 140% return दिया है in the past 1 year and after the making of high of 18,500 it has given a dip of 13%. So recently due to the Russian and Ukraine war, you can see it started around February. You can see that Nifty has fallen by almost 13% and अभी important observation ये है कि Nifty ने almost 50 moving average को break किया है. So last month it tried to take support from the 50 moving average and last week it has broken the 50 moving average and closed below it. So I feel that there is a higher chance अब Nifty almost 100 moving average तक आ सकता है which is around 15,000 level. And आपको ये एक चीज समझना है कि these moving averages act as dynamic support and resistance. So Nifty in an uptrend always comes to these moving averages, takes support and then continues the run. Even in the past आप देख सकते हो ये 150 moving average को बहुत अच्छी तरह से respect किया है. So this is my analysis on Nifty and let's see how that goes. So let's get started with the analysis. The first stock that looks interesting to me is Asian Paints. तो इस stocks का पूरा price action समझते हैं. And another thing you have to understand this, जो भी stocks मैं इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ, these are all fundamentally strong stocks. These are proven companies of the Nifty index and the only reason they are falling is due to the uncertainty in the market. Fundamentals में इनमें कोई भी problem नहीं है, only because of uncertainty in the market. क्योंकि अभी war हो रहा है, oil के price ज़्यादा है, all these things. In short term, these type of opportunities gives investors to enter. So let's see what's happening here. So आप देख सकते हो in the weekly time frame, Asian Paints has almost fallen by 25% in a span of just a few weeks. Reason war and also rising oil prices. Okay, but आप देख सकते हो इसकी history में it has fallen like this a lot of times. So 2017 में भी आप देख सकते हो within a span of 2 months it gave a 25% dip, almost 30% dip, and then what happened? It recovered. In the next 6 months it recovered well and it has had a very good rally. And even Corona crash में भी आप देख सकते हो when the market was down by 40-50%, Asian Paints only fell almost 25%. That's how strong these companies are. And even now it has given a 25% dip and ये एक strong support region है. So this is a strong support region and I feel that it can bounce up from here. चांसेस ये भी है कि यहाँ से ऑलमोस्ट 5-10% भी नीचे आ सकता है बट इन अ लॉन्गर टर्म इट्स हायर चांस ऑफ कंटिन्यूइंग द अप ट्रेंड. सो दिस वन स्टॉक दैट लुक्स गुड टू मी एंड लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस. मूविंग ऑन विद द नेक्स्ट स्टॉक व्हिच इज नन अदर देन HDFC. तो इस स्टॉक का टेक्निकल्स एंड पूरा समझते हैं. So even this stock is a similar stock to Asian Paints. HDFC, we all know the bank which is one of the biggest finance banks in India. Okay, and इसने भी almost recently 25-30% का dip दिया है. Almost from the last November it has been continuously falling. Okay, so it has almost given a 26% dip and even in the past history you can see there are multiple times where the stock has given such dip. So this was the 2008 fall and after that again it gave a fall. Even in 2013 it made a 30% fall and but after all of this, see in the past 10 years our country has gone through a lot of things, lot of bad things, even including wars, including terrorist attacks and lot many things. Even after that these companies are only going up. Okay, because these are major companies of India and which are too big to fail. तो इवन दिस स्टॉक हैज फॉलन एंड अभी इसने एक बहुत मेजर सपोर्ट रीजन पे है. यू कैन सी हियर. सो दिस वाज द लास्ट हाई ऑफ 2019 एंड इट्स ट्राइंग टू टेक सपोर्ट फ्रॉम हियर. नाउ इफ आई वाज डूइंग एज अ स्विंग ट्रेडिंग हियर, I would have waited to enter here. मैं क्या करता, I would have looked for an entry opportunity in daily time frame, कुछ entry trigger like bullish engulfing or something like that. But here, as I told in this video, I'm looking for long term investing. So इसके लिए I'm not looking for any entry triggers. I just want to get the best price possible, and I think the current market price is the best. So I'm looking to enter the stock. Reason simple है, stocks fundamentals are really good, and even the technicals show us that every dip was actually a very good buying opportunity. So that's the reason I'm buying this stock, and let's see how that goes. Moving on with the final stock, which is Havells India. Havells एक बहुत बड़ी electric appliances company है, which we all know and we all use its products. And अगर आप चार्ट देखोगे तो recently Havells has given more than around 30% dip. Okay, even in the past it has given a lot of entering opportunities. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, even in 2017 when Asian Paints and even HDFC were down, even the stock was down by 30%, and you can see in the past it has given a lot of dips, but the overall trend in weekly time frame आप क्या देख सकते हो, it's a complete bullish uptrend, right? So that's the reason I am looking to enter the stock, and also एक major support region पे है. So I am looking to enter here, and important चीज ये है कि एक investing है, so there will be no stop loss nor target. Okay, every time it gives a dip, I'll keep buying and holding it. So that is what my plan is. Now due to the recent war between Russia and Ukraine, आप देख सकते हो India VIX has gone up to almost 30. What is India VIX? India VIX एक volatility indicator है. It shows you the volatility, and India VIX recently touched 30, which means that volatility ज़्यादा हो गया है, which makes it very tough for traders to make money. कभी निफ्टी गैप अप होता है, कभी निफ्टी गैप डाउन होता है, and it's purely based on news. So what I would suggest you to do is, instead of actively trading in this time, try to hold some blue chip stocks, proven companies like the ones I showed in this video, so that your capital is preserved and also your capital grows slowly and steadily. And that is what I would suggest you to do in these volatile times. And that's it for this video. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा, then comment below your views, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time.